Hey, Joe at Fabspeed Motorsports USA. We're your Porsche air-cooled, water-cooled performance experts. Looking at my 1995 993 RS Club Sport Tribute car. Had this car since I bought it in 94, so it's now 27 years old, but passion runs deep at Fabspeed for air-cooled, water-cooled Porsche. This is my personal car, and I've developed a lot of products and refined them over the years, doing driver's ed, club racing. And I want to show you how you can take weight off the car, about 8 pounds or more, and basically still have heat, but basically we're going to get rid of this blower motor assembly, just like Porsche AG did when they built their 964 and their 993 RS cars. Over in Germany, if you ordered a 964 RS or 993 RS or 993 RS Club Sport, Porsche made a tube that went from here to here, and it eliminated this electric blower motor and all this jazz. And all they did on the Cup cars and the 964 Cup cars and 993 Cup cars is they zip tied the wiring harness bits to the fuel rail. So anyway, I loosened some of the nuts and bolts, but we're gonna go from here to here. First thing you do on this 993 is you take off the vent pipe, undo this little baby, okay? And then there's two 10mm nuts and bolts here. There's one here and one here. And I've already loosened the one below. So I back off the threads on here. I can actually pop this out now, undo these two little connectors. Remember, this is what Porsche did on the 964 RS and the 993 RS. There's two 10mm hex nuts. Pull out the bolt. Now this motor will pop right out of the car. And a big old heavy thing. These two, you can save them for posterity because air-cooled cars are worth a lot. And here's what we've come up with. There was an old ABS pipe that you could buy, but now we made these out of lightweight carbon fiber. We even had the RS emblem put on there. And this unit, for all 964 cars, 1990 to 94, and all 993s, 1994, 95, and if you have a 96 or 97 993, normally aspirated car, you have to buy this part from the dealer, which goes on with three 10mm nuts, but this unit slides down on this rubber hanger, and then this baby goes into this rubber right here. It's already attached. I take the distributor vent hose, plug it on here like so, take out a screwdriver, tighten two hose clamps down there below, and you see these wiring harness pieces? This is exactly what Porsche Motorsports would do for the 964S. You take these guys, you go right to the fuel rail, and you put a zip tie right around there, and now, when this is done, I haven't done it now, but you basically have just taken 8 to 9 pounds out of the back of the car, and you still get plenty of heat in the car, and it works great. From Fabspeed Motorsports USA. Air-cooled and water-cooled Porsche experts for over 26 years.